In today's Gospel passage, Jesus explains to Nicodemus the kind of spiritual life a disciple must have. However, Nicodemus merely thinks in the physical sphere of reality. Jesus shows him the importance of a life in the Spirit. We often tend to be overly concerned about the material reality, forgetting that we are also spiritual beings. It is our spiritual side that enables us to be more open to God's amazing grace. We are spiritual beings who are called to bear witness to a life of grace, even in the here and now. Please like and subscribe.